Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily and I'm so happy that you decided to stop by today. I will create two 3D projects in this video, one mini album and one 3D gift box, and I could have split this up into two videos, but I decided to keep them together. So I hope you will enjoy this, and yeah, let's get started. I cut out a ton of pieces from the party hat mini album. I cut out the base 4 times, and then I cut out pattern papers from the Live Life Happy collection from Pebbles. And I just, when I had the backer layer or the backside of my page here, I just ran it through sort of the opposite side. I turned my pattern paper, so for exactly this one, the one with the stripes, I cut out of, like, I had a white side up of my pattern paper and cut into it. I hope that makes sense. So I have it all like perfectly aligned. And then I created, there is a lot of pieces in this set. I took some holographic cards paper and cut out the topper and the lower part. I also cut out Happy Day from the Party Word collection that were released this month, and I will have it on my front page. And then I took some hooks or rings from my stash. I actually decided that that one was too big, so I switched to three smaller ones. You can see them now on screen. And I will raise my sentiment up with some foam. And you can also see that I cut out a couple of balloons. This one is also from the latest release, but I had some leftovers from another project that I created. I can have a link down below if you like to see how I created these balloons, but they are from the French birthday balloon set. Really cute, and I thought they fitted our project here perfectly. So that is the front side. I will also embellish this with a little tiny flower that I created with this set that I now will be working on. By the way, I didn't embellish my album further, I just embellished it that way. So now we are on to our next project. You can see those stars there on our dies. These are indentations that I interpreted like were the lid. So I used the star ones for my lid, and the other one without a star was the parts for the bottom. So that is just how I think this is meant to be sort of interpreted. And you can see our box sides here is glued to the front of our box. There is also a decorational piece where you can cut out like a stitched card. If you like to create a card with a stitched front, that would be nice. You can also have it like I will on top of my box. You can also, if you like to cover all of our sides up, you can do that with a matching cardstock to the inside. So there is a ton of options with this box. I had no problem putting this together. It came together super easy. You can see I'm using liquid glue and a bone folder, and then I'm just eyeballing this placement. I did my short sides before I did my longer sides, so I had those like guides for the longer piece. There is also an option if you don't like that little indentation, the knot there, you can take the sides without, if you like to create like a solid box. So there is a lot of options with this one. So now when I have attached my side flaps there, I am gluing that part that is coming down. I will do it one more time here so you can see glue to the tabs for the inside part, holding them in place, making sure that everything is straight, then liquid glue again to the inside. And then I can use my bone folder to go over this to really press it in place. This makes this box really sturdy. I will do the same thing. You will see me do the exact same thing for the bottom part. This side don't have those indentations that you can have for lifting the box. I hope that makes sense as well. So I'm just using that one, and you can see I am lining this up to the best of my ability. I think this is really nice and it goes really fast. So I'm doing this to the other side as well. And then our long side, you can see here there is no hole for your fingers to grab onto the box, because this is the bottom part. Making sure everything is aligned, glue to the flaps, and then pressing it down. The other side as well. Then we have these ones, and to the other side, and then we can have our side be folded down inwards to make it really sturdy. And to the other side. Yeah, this is going really fast. You can hit the 3 dots up in the right corner if you like me to go slower. So for the decorations part, I'm using the Flourish collection. I have been loving to use this collection for my previous videos as well. I think the patterns are really pretty for summer. And you can see that all of the sides actually have decorational pieces if you like to layer them up. I will speed this up and just decorate my box front and not the down part of the box. That will like always be covered up when my box is like closed. So I didn't take the time to do that for today. But you can see all of the sides are done, and there is this really pretty stitching to it. And now for my top lid, I will actually create a shaker. So I am having my top piece here all cut out. I have some plastic, just recycled plastic that I had with some, I think it was some stickers or something like that. And then I'm taking some double-sided foam, no, not foam tape, just regular double-sided strong tape here. And then I'm creating this. You can see how it looks. And then I have my little pocket, and I will fill it up with some embellishments that I have in my stash. And this project was super hard to photograph, you guys, because I had my cameras on and then I tried it without my lighting on, and yeah, it was just really bad. I had a ton of glare in my photos, so I apologize if my pictures are a little bit like not crisp when I'm taking these photos, but I can tell you in real life this project turned out super cute and not at all as dark as I am like looking at it now. It looks really dark, but in real life it's very pretty and summery. And you can see all the glares in my camera right now as well, but in real life that is not as noticeable. It's just beautiful with all of the sequins that are like around the box. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. And for the embellishment part, I'm using the 3D gift box. There it has all of these like tag shapes, and I cut them out of some gold glitter cardstock and some really like soft cream colored cardstock to be on the top. And I use some foam just to give it some beautiful dimensions. And off camera I also created all of those beautiful flowers that comes in this set. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to share a video where I'm creating those. I thought this video was going to be too long if I included that, but I have the footage if you'd like to see it. But it came together really nicely, and I just put a little sequin in the middle of all of those, and I put them on a foam square as well, just to give it some more dimension. And if you like to switch out these flowers, you could for a sentiment, but I wanted this box to be able to be in any direction, so I actually skipped it. But I think this turned out super cute as well. So you can see here, celebrate would have been really cute to put across, and that is from the party words. So now I will leave you with some close-ups of our finished projects. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create something in with a mini album or a gift box. I will have links down below for all of the products that I'm using in this video, and until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!